Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back into another video. And oh yeah, today I'm going to be showing you my fidget spinner, or hand spinner, whatever you want to call it. So these popular thingies, yeah, they're totally cool. And I've been thinking, well, would they work if you took these bits off? Now, I've heard people said it does, and I've heard people said it doesn't. And I want to try it out myself, so let's get right into it. So first what you want to do is just somehow get this off. I might take a second. Welcome back. So as you can see here, I've taken these bits off. Now, this looks pretty complicated, but actually it's really kind of simple. I can see you right. So basically there's there's that metal bit in the middle, then there's some bearings. If you don't know what they are, they're like balls which roll. And see, alright, it does work. Wasn't expecting that. Very cool, huh? I love it. I love how these things spin so nicely. They're beautiful. Oh, by the way, I got mine yesterday. Pretty cool, so. And apparently the more you use them, the better they get. So I've been even using it in the night and stuff to try and get it at its best, and it's working pretty well. Anyway, I think I'd better get them back on. That was just someone coming in the door when they were not supposed to. Yeah. So anyway, I'm not really supposed to take them off. So better not tell anyone. Anyway, please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and leave a big fat like. And of course, comment. Sorry, I'm so into these. I'll try to reply to your comment. And anyway, please, I hope you enjoyed that video. Anyways.